Hello and welcome to our Monday morning weekly options lineup here with DoubleUp Trading. Thanks so much for joining us this morning. To learn more about DoubleUp Trading and what we do, please check out our channel and stay tuned for our introduction video, which will be posting soon. Alrighty guys, let's get started. Today, we placed a total of 4 options orders, all of which will be expiring this Friday, January 16th. So, on the roster for this week's lineup, we have 10 Sophie Technologies, priced at $27. It's a put, and it executed for 65 cents, which is almost 2.5% of our $27 strike price. Next, there's 10 Gilat Satellite Networks, strike price of $15. It's a put, and it executed for 35 cents, or just under 2.5%. Then, we've got 10 Red Cat, $11 put. It executed for 28 cents, which is just over 2.5% of our original strike price of $11. And lastly, we have 10 Applied Digital. It's a $30 put, and it executed for 60 cents, which is exactly 2% of our original strike. After crunching the numbers, it looks like we've already made $1,880 for the week. Wow, awesome job you guys. We're off to a great start. Remember to swing by this Wednesday for our midweek update, where I'll be going over any relevant news regarding the stocks we're trading in. And if you'd like to learn more about options trading, how to create a trading account, or how to place your first options order, feel free to follow us here or check out the description for more information. Thanks so much for tuning in this morning. I hope you all have a great week, and I'll see you on Wednesday.